I will show you how we prepared a popular dish out of an Indian village. My day started early. Rain that fell on warm ground created a slight fog. The flowers looked beautiful in morning sunlight. That day, we decided to do a little road trip and cook by a lake. First, I went to pick all the ingredients that we would need. The sun was shining and I could not imagine a better afternoon. I'm outside and I'm about to pick fresh tomatoes, onion, coriander, and just all the ingredients that we need for cooking. So, let's go. Nothing tastes better than tomatoes picked from the garden. They taste almost like sunlight. I was walking by and just realized that we have ripe grapes outside. Then I picked some fresh coriander. I just cannot skip it. It adds so much flavor to every single dish. We picked everything and we froze all the coriander. This is the only one that is left. We have onion here. We store it for winter and it's currently drying, as you can see. We decided to wash everything at home since later we would not have access to water. It looks like a lot of vegetables, but later it turned out not to be. It was time to go on a road trip. We hadn't planned anything, just wanted to stop somewhere by water. Simba can go and swim, which is his favorite summer activity. We are in the middle of the forest. Simba! This is what summer in Poland looks like. It's quiet, the trees are moving with the wind, and birds singing on branches. Simba had too much fun, honestly. Look at him. Lichens only grow when the air is very clean, like in this forest. I was having so much fun just enjoying staying out in nature. Sometimes we all need a little forest getaway to recharge and rest. Yes, our goal was to find a place to cook, but in Poland we only have a few months of warm weather and later days get colder, darker and shorter, so we just wanted to enjoy it. After driving like this for some time, we finally found the right spot by the lake. We started by preparing everything for the fire. I started to pick up dry branches. Let's put this by the fire. We have some paper to eat with oro and I'm trying, okay? And lots of vegetables. And I really mean lots of vegetables. Today we prepare a very popular Indian village dish. What ingredients do we need?
No, eggplant is important. Onion.
Okay.
Red onion. We have coriander, we have tomato, and we have paprika. Chili.
We have some green onion. Simba is coming. He wants to steal the food. So what are we starting with exactly?
First garlic.
So peeling the garlic. I know how to cook basic dishes, but I am very confused when it comes to spices.
And then we will put garlic inside.
Oh, we are putting garlic inside. What do you mean? Just give it to me.
It's finished. I will finish it.
He doesn't trust me that I can do it.
Look,
Okay, so you are cutting.
this one. Done. Last.
Last?
Done.
Once we prepared the eggplant, we started to make a fire. Because of the wind, we could not do it, so we added some ghee on top. My heart hurts. No, I could eat it. Why is it on the fire? Okay, should I do the same? Like, how much? Only on the outside?
Yes, inside it will go through garlic, so Jill.
Okay, so now we are putting garlic inside? How much? Like one per?
It doesn't matter, you can put however you want. Every region has their own variety.
So I hope I did this right, because... We are trying to disinfect this metal crate. We started to cut the chili. Everything had to be cooked on an open fire. I don't know if anyone else agrees with me, but cooking can actually be quite therapeutic, as long as you do it outside and you have unlimited amount of time.
Not here, inside. People cook this in high flame.
Can you give me a fork? Oh, okay.
Top it.
How do you take?
This I will take. This don't.
I'm hungry. Yeah, me too.
That peeling this and taking out garlic, because we will need later.
Tomato and later onion. It was slowly getting dark, but the cooking was still in process. Anop started to cut green onion. Finally, ghee landed on warm pan along with garlic and onion. Anop added some spices that made it all come together. The smell was so amazing, true feast for the senses.
Take little red and take little green. It's not spicy, first of all.
Wait.
especially it's burn.
So now what?
Now we put eggplant. My turn.
Now I'm extremely hungry. Obviously, we had to add fresh coriander and we put some tortillas on the fire. Simba never left our side, even for a moment. It was around 8 p.m. when we finally sat and started to eat. I always say that the more we wait for something, the better it tastes, and it was exactly the case. So much better. I must say that this Indian village dish is one of the best you've made so far, Anop. Not to say anything, but you should make it more often. I hope you enjoyed. See you soon.